guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. We are so excited to see you. I am back giving you guys awesome content along with some positivity on the timeline. Today we're going to be doing a lightweight summer makeup tutorial. This makeup look is so simple, it's easy, it's quick, and it gives you the illusion of being full-blown glam, even though we're wearing a tinted moisturizer. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. It would help me out a lot, along with hitting that bell notification icon so that you are notified every time I post a video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I used the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. For the summertime, that it's always better to go in with a pencil rather than a cream or a pomade, just because they tend to stay a lot better, and it also doesn't make your brows look as greasy, and it looks a lot more natural. For foundation today, we're actually not going to use a foundation. We are going to be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid. This is in the shade Deep Dark 21W. I have used this moisturizer in the past. It's a very lightweight moisturizer, but it gives you the illusion that you're wearing foundation without being as heavy. And it has hyaluronic acid, which takes the moisture out of the air and puts it into your skin. All in all, it's just a great moisturizer. And I'm just gonna take it on my damp beauty blender and just blend it out all over my face. Now that we have the moisturizer on, and I want you to take a look at my skin, you see how it just gives it an overall even texture, like a nice, like soft look, but obviously you cannot see any of my hyperpigmentation, and that is the look that you want when you're doing a lightweight summer look. You don't want the heavy, like full coverage foundations because it's hot outside, you're gonna look greasy, you're gonna look cakey. So this is like perfection. And for concealer today, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is a full coverage concealer, but the way to combat that is to literally put it directly under your eyes, and that's it. And I'm gonna take that same damp beauty sponge and just blend this out. For setting powder, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Deep. I'm only going to put the setting powder where I put the concealer, and instead of baking, I'm going to take a super light layer and press it into the skin. Again, we don't want like a super heavy or cakey highlighted look. We just want to set that concealer so that it does not crease up and then makes us look like we're wearing makeup. For bronzer today, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. This bronzer, it looks light in the light, but I promise you when you put it on, it's not. But this bronzer is so good. It's rich, it's creamy, it's lightweight, it's just all around a awesome bronzer. And we're gonna take it on a e.l.f. complexion brush, and we are not gonna make it neat. We're not gonna like cut it like I do with my contour. We're just going to dab it on there, dust off that excess, and literally just take it and put it on the cheeks to warm up the face. And as you can see, it's doing exactly that. And it doesn't have to be anything that's neat. We are literally taking this all over the face to give us that nice sun-kissed look, and that is exactly what you want. Also, if you're one of those girls that when you wear your makeup, you have to have an eyeshadow, a great way to give you depth is to take your bronzer, and then I'm gonna take it on a M441 brush from Morphe. Literally just dip into that bronzer, dust off the excess, and then just take it in your crease and just lightly dust it all over your crease. Next, we're gonna take a lightweight blush, and for blush, I'm gonna use the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rosier. It's a very neutral, peachy looking blush, and I don't know if you can see it, but it has those little gold reflux in it, so it'll give you a little bit of highlight along with adding that rosiness to your face, that sun-kissed red, which is what we love. And I'm gonna take it on a Real Techniques blush brush and just dab into it. And when I'm going for that lightweight, like summery skin, I like to take my blush and start on the cheeks and then dust it over the nose like so. It gives you the illusion of, like, as you can see, like that rosy glimmer, or yeah, glimmer. Let me use that word. Glittery and shimmery. It's gonna give you that rosy glimmer, and it looks amazing. Lastly, for the face, we're gonna go in with just a smidget of highlighter. I'm gonna take this Sephora, this is the Spice Market Blush Palette. It is perfect for darker or deeper skin tones. I think they have one more that's deeper, but I'm not sure. But I'm gonna take a Morphe M510. This is their highlighter brush, and I'm going to dip into this middle shade here. Just get a little bit of that highlight on there, dusting off the excess per usual, and then just lightly dusting it on the cheeks. And you see how it gives you a nice subtle glow, which is all you want. And if you feel like you have too much highlight on, you can take that same beauty sponge and just press it into the skin, and it'll start to lightly lift up that highlight a little bit and just even it out. So we are completely done with the face. I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and just set the face really quickly. Okay, so our face makeup is completely done, and as you can see, it's so lightweight, it looks like I'm wearing nothing. So now we're gonna go to our eyes and our lips and then complete this look. For me, whether it's the summer, the winter, spring, fall, whatever, I have to have on a pair of lashes when I wear my makeup. It just, for me, it completes my life. It just makes me feel like I actually have it together. So I'm going to take, I think I'm gonna use this pair of lashes here. It just looks a little bit more wispier and a little bit more lightweight. These lashes I actually purchased from Target. They are the Target brand lashes. I got them during Christmas when they do the really nice gift kits. So that's where I got these from, if you guys wanted to know. I got 6 pair of lashes for 10 bucks, which is actually really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes, and you wanna just take your lashes and take it from the center and pop them right down in the center. And if your lashes move a lot, that means that your glue is not dry yet. And be very light with your lashes and just seal that inner corner. Come to the outside, make sure that it is not sticking to your lashes. Seal that outer corner, and boom, you are done. Okay, so I have the lashes on, and I have a little bit of bottom mascara on, and now we're gonna quickly wrap up this look with some lips. I'm going to go in with my tried and true, the NYX Chestnut lip liner. You guys, this is so sad, look at this. But I love this lip liner to death. It is great for deep skin tones. I think it's like a $5 or $6 pencil, so that right there is like a yes, like go get it. So I'm gonna lightly line my lips. I'm not gonna overdraw. I'm just gonna lightly line my lips and then add a lip gloss. And then I'm gonna cover that line with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. It's gonna give you a nice light peachy nude, perfect for the summer. This makeup look is all complete. As you can see, it's super simple, super summer ready. Your skin is gonna look so amazing and people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, are you wearing makeup? Let me go change real quick and I'll be right back to conclude this video. Alrighty guys, and this is the final look. I have changed into my Prince Purple Rain t-shirt. I have put my sunnies on and my earrings and my fossil watch. I'm gonna take some, but I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, please, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon so that you are notified. Also, if you would like, go ahead and click on my previous videos. I will be posting again twice a week, so stay tuned for that content and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.